Hey guys, Shawn Buige, DeedFlipping.com, and we have come to the end of our 2-month introductory training series on flipping property with little to no money down and zero aggravation. I'm going to leave you guys. I'm going to be I'm going to be putting more video up, but I'm going to leave you at the end of this. I've got 2 more videos coming up with some story time, and I want to give you guys some sage advice. There are no cheap lessons in real estate. To avoid what can be heavy losses, we recommend the following. Number 1, partner up with someone with extensive experience and knowledge. If not us, someone else that can help you avoid the pitfalls. That's going to be important. Number 2, target property with the highest probability of making you profit. We did a full-length video on that in this channel. Guys, don't waste your time going after maybe. Number 3, in our system, your job as a partner, if you decided to partner up with us and buy our training, would simply be to find upcoming tax sale foreclosures, research the debt against the property to make sure it isn't underwater with debt, and turn it in. We find them. We find the owners, negotiate, contract, and flip, and pay you a handsome commission. Number 4, we really recommend you don't try to fix and flip. Get property cheap enough pre-foreclosure that you can flip as is to an investor for cash, at least doubling your money. That's what we teach. Number 5, don't do the typical shady wholesaler moves, guys. Subject to contracts, assignable contracts, etc. That's 1980s techniques that just don't work anymore. Number 6, to do it on your own, learn the craft, and it is a craft. Learn how to research debt. Do title work. It's not hard. We teach it. Learn the different ownership options you'll find on the owner's deeds. That's going to determine if you need both people on that deed, if somebody passed, if you can still work with them. Knowing that, knowing that alone will put you head and shoulders above anybody else. Also, as it is a craft, learn how to find people, negotiate, and contract on deals, guys. Don't get involved with any system. This is number 7 if you're not going to apply it, including mine. You have to work to get paid. You can do it as a side hustle with us or full time, but nothing will happen if you don't apply a system. If you don't think you're going to work it, don't buy our system. Go to deedflipping.com to sign up. It's a blowout January 1st, 2026 New Year's Day sale. Get trained, partner up, and get paid. It's a one-day only sale, and there's going to be a limited number sold.